What's the difference between I was and I were? Hello everyone, how are you doing? Welcome to my English planet. Well, are you ready to learn something fascinating today? So, follow me. In today's lesson, we are going to understand the difference between I was and I were. And now you might be wondering, what on earth is I were? Isn't it always I was? And my answer for you is almost yes. Yeah, when we want to talk about past, instead of I am, we say I was. I was, he was, she was, it was, but you were, we were, they were. So what's wrong with this one? Well, just like every other thing in English, this one has its own rules too. So, if you want to learn what exactly this one is, follow me and stay with me. Let's go! Well, here is my timer. I have only 2 minutes to talk about this topic, so let's go! Well, I was or I were. Which one? Well, in today's lesson, we're not just going to talk about grammar. We are going to talk about reality and imagination. So let's split this screen into 2 parts. Real world and imagination land. Well, I was is in the real world. We use it for the things that actually truly happened in the past. Like, this morning I was really tired. How were you yesterday? Well, yesterday I was sleepy. Or, was I the last one to know? Or, last year she went to Paris. She was in Paris. So you see, we use the simple and basic rules of simple past in real world. So what about I were? I were resides in imagination land. It's here. And we use it to talk about our dreams, our, impossible dreams, our wishes, the things that are not true now. So we can use I were. And we can use it in 2 different sentences. You can use it in if clauses, conditional type too. You can say, if I were an astronaut, spoiler, I'm not an astronaut, but if I were an astronaut, I would go to the moon. If I were you, I'm not you, but if I were you, I would subscribe to this girl's channel just right now. So, if I were you, I would do that. Or, if I were rich, I would buy lots of shoes. Also, you can use it after the word wish. Like, I wish I were on the beach right now. I'm not on the beach, but I wish I were there. Or, she wishes I were there with them just right now. But I'm here with you, I'm not there. So, for hypotheticals, for the things that are not true now, you can use I were. Yeah, that's it. Done. Finished. So that's it. Another lesson is done by me, and I try to talk about something fun and interesting and important in English in a very short time. And now I want to ask you 2 questions. Please write the answers of these 2 questions in the comments. Number 1. How were you yesterday? And where were you yesterday? These 2 are number 1, okay? And number 2, what would you do if you were rich? Yes, answer these questions and tell me what your answers are because I'm gonna check them all. So you know what to do. You know that I love you so much and I really need your support. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, give it a thumbs up, and tell me whatever you want in the comments. And if you have any questions about this topic or other topics, just let me know. I'm going to answer them all. And yeah, bye till the next one. Bye!